Hello, today we are taking a look at Birchbox Man for March 2018. With that being said, let's get into it. And this month it was 2 tie clips. For some reason I have not been getting the email where you can choose your lifestyle item, so I'm going to have to contact Birchbox and get that fixed. And here we go. We have the card with everything in the box for this month. We have a face exfoliant, a natural deodorant, the Ultimate Man soap, body soap, a shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, 1 ounce. Really cool bottle. Really like this bottle. And a thing of English laundry. I actually did a video of the top 4 houses of colognes to buy and the 1 house to never buy. And English Laundry made the video. I recommend after you watch this, go check it out. So everything you just saw for that box is $20 a month. I believe everything in the box is about a month supply. So by the time you run out, your next box is already on its way. With that being said, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share this video. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.